Hi, in this video I'm going to quickly walk through a macro created by Solid Solutions to give you an idea of the kind of enhancements we can make to your workflow. This macro was created to make the placement of hand-drilled holes faster and more intelligent. The example part you're looking at is a tool for creating vacuum-formed packaging. When vacuum forming, in order to create well-defined formed parts, the vacuum flow must be even throughout, and vacuum holes should be positioned at the lowest points in all the cavities or at changes in sections. This means there are a lot of holes to factor into the design, and positioning of these holes is a time-consuming process. This macro has been designed to simplify that process by providing controls to easily position the entry hole and to automatically create a breakout hole simply off the selection of a face. To aid the design process as well, a 3D drill model can be displayed during the command to help ensure that no entry holes are positioned at unreachable points. This is a great example of additional functionality that simply isn't possible with regular SolidWorks. As it's doing more than just speeding up the workflow, it actually helps the user to make better design decisions. When creating the holes, the macro automates the creation of a number of features, which does speed up time. These are normal features that are created, so wherever needed, they can be patterned, deleted, or edited easily. So if you're looking to speed up your own workflows, or you think that a macro like this one may be able to enhance your design process, then please don't hesitate to give us a call or fill in our online form to find out more about what we can do for you.